Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on those cheap, ineffective guide kits and instead transform your Grob bandsaw and upgrade your production with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kit. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the Grob HS 24-inch guide kit. This is an economical, easy-to-install solution that will help you improve your performance, increase your blade longevity, lengthen machine life, and produce straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and comes complete with a specially machined mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Grob aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory for parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order for any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.